Nyota ya gucenjia na gutigirira njira cia urimi wa kiriu ni ciathie na mbere na kuhimbirio. Collins Muiruri kuma thukuru wa Nyeri National Polytechnic ni athundurite macini ya guitiriria mimera mai iria itirabatara kurorwo ni mundu thiini wa greenhouse iria augite ni kunyihia wira na mathaa maria mundu ahuthagira o muthenya.
Greenhouse ino itu ndirabatara murimi akorwo hau ni undu wa niguo ahe mimera yake mai kana hagire kurora urugari uria we mugunda. Uguo ni kuga ati ona no ndige ndahanda indo ciakwa na thie wira handu hangi na ngacoka na ngore mimera yakwa igikura wega.
Nake Elijah Njihia uria ni murutwo wa thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Samburu agithundura macini ya kunyabara ngika na mikuri iria mito ehithaga niguo gutabania ngero ici.
Specifically, we come from Samburu where we face a high rate of insecurity and banditry. So as students we came up with this idea of how we can reduce this rate of banditry and insecurity. The first way, as a result, we came up with this idea of coming up with a robot that we can use to survey as the first option. For example, when you hear there is a danger somewhere, instead of sending a police officer, you can start by sending the robot. By using it, it has a camera on board that gives a live feed. So by that you'll receive the information of the ground before attacking or before attacking. Yeah.
Arutwo aya makiuria thirikari kuguithia thogora wa indo iria mahuthagira gukinyaniria uthunduri uyu.
Some things we have used to come up with this to manufacture this. Some of them are not in the market and some of them you can get them but they are expensive a bit and maybe the institution is not that capable.
Thirikari ibatie gwika ni guteithiriria institutions ta ici sana technical institutions tondu guku ni kuira muingi practical koragwo riu ituteithiririe sana na funds cia gwika project ta ici.
Principal wa Nyeri National Polytechnic kiuga kigomano giki kiria gigatirihwo gatano ga kiumia giki na arutwo mari na kanya ga gucemania na ahuri biacara na kwigwatira mawira.
Twina nyamure to research conference na research conference ino turauga ni opportunity turahe ciana citu uria ingihota guteithika.
Idea iria igikorwo njega no ni attract donors na maheo besha na mahote kwambiriria mawira mao na kuyaka.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Njeta Theuri wa Bogo.